Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Stephen Grant, and I'm glad you're here today. We're going to talk about something incredibly simple, yet so powerful that it can completely change how your body feels and performs: water. Have you ever noticed how just drinking water can affect your energy levels? Many men over 50 wake up tired, drag themselves through the day, and blame it on age. But the real culprit is often dehydration. And here's something most men never realize: the way you drink water after 50 can directly affect your stamina, confidence, and yes, your erection strength. That's right, water, something you already have at home, could be the missing piece between feeling sluggish and feeling alive. But it's not just about drinking more. It's about when and how you drink it, so your body can use it to improve circulation, support your prostate, and keep energy steady throughout the day. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to hydrate in a way that helps maintain firm, reliable erections and better overall health. Let's start with the basics. An erection isn't about magic, luck, or even willpower. It's about blood flow. When arousal begins, signals from your brain travel to the nerves in the pelvic area. These signals tell the blood vessels in the penis to open. Blood rushes in, fills the chambers, and firmness is achieved. It's a simple, elegant process, but only if everything is working properly. Now here's the piece that often gets overlooked: hydration. When you're dehydrated, your blood thickens and flows more sluggishly. Picture trying to water your lawn with a hose full of mud. It's slow, uneven, and doesn't reach the target. That's what happens inside your body when fluids run low. Circulation slows, vessels lose flexibility, and blood flow to the penis weakens. Softer, shorter-lasting erections follow, and many men assume it's just age. But here's the good news: in many cases, it's not age, it's dehydration. Proper hydration keeps your blood flowing smoothly, your vessels supple, and your body responding faster and more reliably. Hydration doesn't just help digestion or energy, it directly supports performance. That's why water is one of the easiest and most effective tools you already have to strengthen erections and improve health. Now, let's talk about a common mistake. Many men wait until they're thirsty to drink. But thirst is a late warning sign. By the time you feel it, your blood is already thicker, circulation is already slower, and tissues, including those that matter most for intimacy, are already strained. Waiting that long is like ignoring your car's fuel gauge until it's almost empty. And what happens next? A lot of men try to make up for lost time by gulping large amounts of water. But here's the problem: most of it doesn't get absorbed. It passes through too quickly, sending you to the bathroom instead of nourishing your body. You're back where you started, still dehydrated and still struggling with circulation. The real secret? Consistency. Regular hydration keeps your body primed, your blood flowing freely, and your performance strong. Stay tuned, because in the next section, I'll show you the best times to drink water for energy, prostate support, and rock-solid confidence. Your body doesn't need occasional massive gulps. It needs a steady flow. Sipping water throughout the day allows your system to absorb and use it properly. Think of it like fueling your circulation bit by bit, so your body always has what it needs. It's like maintaining a car. You don't let the tank run dry, then dump in a bucket of gas hoping for the best. You keep it topped up consistently, ensuring smooth, reliable performance. Steady hydration keeps your blood thinner, your vessels flexible, and your erections firmer. Here's something surprising: even mild dehydration, just a few percentage points below ideal, can reduce erection quality. You might feel fine, but if your blood is slightly thicker or your circulation slightly slower, it can make the difference between confidence and frustration. That's why hydration should be intentional every single day. The best time to focus on hydration starts first thing in the morning. After 7 or 8 hours of sleep, your body has been without fluids all night. Even if you don't feel thirsty, you're already slightly dehydrated. This is why so many men feel stiff, sluggish, or foggy in the morning. It's not just age, it's dehydration. Starting your day with a full glass of water immediately restores circulation, jump-starts digestion, and helps blood flow freely. Think of it as priming your system for the day. Want to make it even more effective? Add a squeeze of lemon. Lemon water refreshes the taste and provides natural antioxidants and vitamin C, which your body uses to produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, allowing them to open wider and let more blood into the penis. Lemon water also helps keep your vessel walls flexible, ensuring smoother, stronger circulation. This small habit, practiced daily, can noticeably improve energy, performance, and overall health. Another key time to hydrate is about 30 minutes before meals. This does more than just quench thirst. It prepares your body for digestion. Water softens food as it enters your stomach and helps regulate digestion without overloading it. There's another benefit many men overlook. Drinking water before meals helps stabilize blood sugar. Large spikes in blood sugar can damage blood vessels over time, including the delicate vessels that supply the penis. Stable blood sugar keeps circulation strong, supporting firmer, more reliable erections. Of course, don't overdo it during meals. Too much water while eating can dilute stomach acid and slow digestion. The key is a full glass before meals and small sips as needed while eating. This keeps digestion smooth, blood sugar steady, and circulation supported without overloading the stomach. Now let's talk about the evening. This is where many men unknowingly sabotage themselves. Some try to catch up by drinking large amounts of water right before bed. The result? They wake up multiple times at night to urinate, breaking up deep sleep. Others skip water completely in the evening, thinking it will protect sleep. But this leaves the body dehydrated for hours. Neither approach works well for health or performance. The smarter approach: stay well hydrated throughout the day, then gradually taper off 1 to 2 hours before bed. This ensures enough fluid to support circulation and overnight hormone recovery, while minimizing nighttime bathroom trips. Remember, deep, uninterrupted sleep is when your body produces peak testosterone, the hormone that fuels sex drive, stamina, and erection strength. Proper hydration not only helps during the day, but protects your sleep, your hormones, and your confidence. Another tip: pair hydration with movement. Each time you stand to stretch or walk, take a sip of water. Movement boosts circulation, and water supports it. Together, it's a 1-2 punch for blood flow where it matters most. Over time, this small habit can noticeably improve energy, stamina, and performance. So, how should men over 50 drink water to improve erections? Sip steadily throughout the day. Start the morning with a glass. Add lemon if possible. Drink before meals to stabilize blood sugar. Maintain consistent hydration, then taper off before bed. Combine this with regular movement, good nutrition, and adequate rest. You'll give your body the perfect environment for stronger, more reliable erections. Remember, there's no magic pill for performance, but small daily choices add up to big results. Something as simple as how you drink water can improve circulation, protect your prostate, and restore confidence you may have thought was gone. I'm Dr. Stephen Grant, and thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more clear, practical advice on men's health after 50. Take care of your body.